Hi, I'm going to demonstrate on how to put the Canon 5D onto a video rig to set it up as a video camera. There's no actual set way of doing it, but this is the way I find the easiest way. Okay, the first thing you need obviously is the mount to put the camera on, and this is also a tripod mount, but we're actually going to use it to put the audio equipment on the bottom first, and that's what we're going to do first. And put it on like so. You do need a coin. I happen to have a penny here to put this on with. Get it fairly tight and then make sure it's nice and straight on there. Then tighten it off. Once that's on, put that to one side, and what we need to do in the little bag, the bits that I've shown you before, we've actually got the focusing kit. This focusing kit, basically what it is, it's a focusing ring that you actually put onto your focusing ring of your camera. There's a little screw in there that we have to undo first. So we can take that off, put that around your focusing ring, put it on fairly tight, then do the screw back up. As you do the screw back up, it actually pulls it on tighter for you. Once you've got that on, then you can actually put the camera onto the mount. Before you do it up too tight, just make sure it's nice and straight. Once you've got that on, then you want to put these bars on. First one goes across ways, equal amounts out each side. Do those up. And do the next one. And then the third and final one. There we are. Once you've got those on, then you actually want to put the focusing rig on. Now in this case, because of this lens, I can't actually get this all the way on, putting it on when the focusing rig's on the left-hand side, which you would normally put it on. But what you can do, if that's the case, then you can turn it round and put it on the other way instead. And what you need is this gear here to line up with the blue, what you need is the cog here to line up with this blue focusing ring that you've just previously put on. Right, to lift the lens up slightly, and then it's in place. Once that's in place, there's a little clip on the bottom that you've got to push forward, and that locks it in position. Excuse me. Once that's on, we can actually put the hood on. That pops on there like so. And again, you've got one of these clips that you push down and it locks it in place. Once you've got that on, we can actually put the support handles on. on one side. And then one the other side. So it looks like that, okay? When you place this down, I'd always advise placing it with these pointing at the ground, okay? You could put it this way, but you have to be careful to make sure that you don't damage these two dials on the audio unit. Then the last thing we're going to put on is the actual monitor itself. You've got two positions where you can put the monitor. You can put the monitor on here on the actual hood, or if you prefer, you can put it onto the flash mount. This just screws onto the bottom of the monitor. The black one locks it off. It's on a ball and socket joint, so if you undo this one, it'll actually allow it to rotate and move freely. Then you can lock it off. And with any flash mount, you've got this piece that slips onto there, like so, and then just tighten up this ring here, which will lock it in place. Once you've got it locked in place, you can undo this ball and socket joint to make sure it's in the right position for you. Once that's on, then you need the HDMI lead that plugs into the back of the monitor and then plugs into the HDMI in the side of the camera. One goes in there. That goes in there. And you're ready to start filming.